Hello everybody, if you own a Zontes GK125 or 150, then there is an update for the software on the bike available. Depending on which version of software you have installed on the bike, by going through diagnostic mode, will tell you which version you need to upgrade to first before you can upgrade to the latest one. This video just shows you a dealer version of how they do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and join the journey. Ta-ta for now.